How to use EasyPaisa without app. If you want to use EasyPaisa without app, it's very simple to do so. Now to use EasyPaisa without app, first of all depends upon what carrier network you're using. For example, if you're using Telenor, you have to dial *786# for Telenor. And if you are using Zong, Ufone or others, you have to dial in *2262#. So for Telenor it's *786#. For Zong, Ufone or Jazz it is *2262#. Now when you dial this, what happens is you will receive a command like this. Now directly using these USSD codes, you can make transactions, you can pay your bills, you can contact the support, you can just view all the account details and so on. This way you can use EasyPaisa without app. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.